All right. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching right now. All right. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, it has been long, but I promised you that I'm gonna be showing you most of the trending hairstyles and to show you how you can always plait them. And then if you can have a question that you can ask, please, you can always go right in the comment section. Tell me what you need to know about most of those hairstyles. Now I have something simple, like by then, well, when it comes to natural hair, we used to sell our natural hair, but mostly it would be hard for us like to get those extensions to match with our natural hair, because whenever we would add in this synthetic extension, you would see it. And maybe let's say like those synthetic extension with the braids, you'd find like it's very hard to do it. If it's not like with a knotless, it becomes hard. But right now we have the natural extensions that are very nice, that can really match with our natural hair. So I'm just very happy to show you this extension, and it is very nice, very soft. And this is how it looks from the QVR Afro Kinky bulk hair. It is 100% human, so you can also Google it and choose to get yours. This is how the pack looks like. Yes, the 5 pieces are recommended, but you can also use 3 if you want, but 5 are recommended. So yeah, it is according to what you want, because sometimes we want different types of the styles, so you can just choose the one you want. So now I realized that this is going to be my method also, that from down I just plait it like the knotless way, this way. And this is the inwards knotless, just like that. To those ones who know how to do this, you know what I'm talking about. And I've been seeing even there are some other people, other hairstylists, and how they do their things is also very okay. But for me, this is how I do it. And then I just try to make sure that it is inside very well. Then when I braid it this way, I just separate into 2, and then I start plaiting the twist. So this is how I do it, very slowly in this way. And you can also try your method, but this is my method also. And I think there are more other methods that you can use, but for me, I'm used with the inward knotless braiding. So why I always use the inward knotless braiding is because, like, if even my client gets the growth, a lot of growth, I know that anytime I can always lock the hair and becomes as new as possible. So this is the method that I always use. But now whenever I use this method, like now you can see I'm braiding from down. So it is the same thing that when I reach like here, now here I'm in the middle, I'm using the knotless braiding. And I hope most of you know how to do the knotless. Why I'm doing this is just because, like, when you reach at this extent, in way that when you try to hold a puff, you know what I'm talking about, those ones always played that knotless way. But after all this, there is something that I wanted to show you, like how I played in front, because it is also very important. Like how I played behind is not the same way I played in front. So I always want my hair to just to lie very well, so that there is nothing like it to look very well when it is lying like very flat. So when I'm doing here this in the knotless method, I know that when I'm going to hold a puff, like that puff we always call the updo puff. It will always look very perfect from the behind, but I cannot continue with this same method like when I'm here. This same method that I'm using here to keep on using it even in front. So when I reach in front, I just have to change, and when I change, that's when you find me using the inward knotless again. So let's try to see how I play it in front. And this is how we do it. And make sure that I separate them this way. Those ones who have been following me doing those are knotless kinky, the inward knotless kinky. This is how we've been doing. So most of you know this method very well. So I separate my box into three portions, and then I start braiding like this. Then after, I just braid once, just like that. After braiding once, I bring the hair, put it from down, just a small like that. Then after braiding, still I bring another one, then I add from down. And most of you know how to do this method. It is very, very nice, and I hope those ones who don't know how to do it, you should learn, because when you do it this way, the extension, the hair is going to grow with extension, like it is not going to over separate. I know you have this coincidence when you find like the hair extension is the hair extension, when the hair grows, you find like the extension shows where it stops, like where it starts from the growth, you understand. But now most of the times when you braid it this way, it grows very well, it grows very well. Even someone might not notice that it is, there is the extension with the hair, you understand. So that's why I always advise you guys to learn how to braid it this way, in the way that even after, you can always lock the hair. You can always lock the hair, and I think when she will do the pair of locking, I'll be able to show you, and then you will trust this method. I will make sure that I do the video showing you how to lock this. So please, to those ones who would want to have this hair, please just follow the www.qvrhair.com. Trust me, you will see their hair extensions that are very, very nice, human 100%. And I love this. I love this. It's now most of the most of my clients, those are the ones with natural hair, they love doing this kind of a hairstyle, because it is very nice on their head. It is very nice and soft for their head. So please, if you want to continue doing this, let's see how it is going to look like. The hair is so amazing, and whenever I always teach my people, the best thing you can always do is the finishing. Yes, we can do the plating, everyone can do the plating, everyone can twist, everyone can braid, but what is your finishing? Because that is the final product, how you're going to package your stuff. So when I'm done with my client, I'm going to be showing you how I always do the finishing. This is our anti-itchy that I always apply before doing anything. I don't always forget this, because it helps a lot on the itching. So after applying it, yes, we're going to add the hair moss. Yes, any hair moss you're having, it is very nice. You can always add in there. Then after all that, we're just going to try to make sure that a little bit, we make sure we do a little bit of trimming. Yes, just a little, because we need to keep that a natural look from down. We need to keep that. Yes, after all that, you can see how it looks. Wow, so amazing, so amazing. I love it, I love it. So after doing all that, we're just going to make sure that we hold our hair. You see how it looks like? I love it, I love it. But those who even love more smaller than this, it is also very perfect, because I've been seeing one of the comments, someone, can it be longer than this? Can it be smaller than this? Can even it still be bigger than this? All can be done. all can be done as long as for you choose to do it the way you want. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I love you so much. I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z, and the hair extension we have been using is from the QVR hair. Yes, you can always go and go for it, and yes, you will have the pieces on at your door. Yes, we'll have it. So let me sign out for now. May the Lord bless you all, and please make sure that you tell me where you're watching from, and you can always leave me a like. Yes, bye bye. See you in my other next video.
A little loving, oh I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomuko no mukugo kumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Changu wa crochet master.